Hey guys, it's Carrie, the Invisible Goddess, and today we're going to learn how to make a triple crochet. You'll need the following materials. Yarn. I'm using an off-white worsted weight number 4 yarn. Does not have a ball band. I am using an eye crochet hook in a boy style, and you'll also need a pair of scissors. So let's get started. So to do a triple crochet, let's start it with some terminology. So this right here is your loop on the hook. This is a swatch that I've been working on for videos. We're going to call these our foundation V's. So to start off your triple crochet, you want to do 3 chains. I do have a video on how to make chains. 3. I'm going to take your working yarn. You have 1 loop on the hook. You want to take your working yarn and wrap it around twice. Then you want to take your hook and insert it into your next set of V's and put it through both. Getting ahead of myself, guys. Then you want to take your working yarn and wrap it around your hook and pull that through your foundation V's. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Take your working yarn and wrap it around your hook. You want to pull through 2 of these loops on the hook. So you have 3 loops on the hook. Take the working yarn, wrap it around your hook, pull through 2 more loops on your hook. So you end up with 2 loops on your hook. Take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook 1 more time, and pull it through those remaining 2 loops. So that is your first triple crochet. So we're only going to do this one twice, and then I'll follow through to the end of our swatch. So you have 1 loop on your hook. You want to wrap your working yarn around your hook twice. Let's show that a little better. So 1 loop on your hook, take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook twice. Then you want to insert your hook into your next set of V's, which is foundation V's, which is right here. Take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook once, pull it through your foundation V's. You end up with 4 loops on your hook. Take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook once, and pull through these first 2 loops on your hook. Leaves you with 3 loops on your hook. Take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook, pull through the next 2 loops on your hook. So you're left with 2 loops on your hook. Take your working yarn, wrap it around your hook, and pull it through your 2 remaining loops on your hook. And I am going to work to the end of the row. I split my yarn. Make sure if you split your yarn that you go back and catch it. make sure you catch your last stitch. So there we go. Everything above here is your triple crochet. If you are done with your row of stitches and it's time to bind off, all you need to do is pull your working yarn through your loop on the hook and cut that end. And tighten it up a little bit. Congratulations, you just made a triple crochet. Peace out, homie.